flowers and roses, such would astound you. The joy of children laughing around you. These are the makings of you. It is true, the makings of you.
Boy, you remind me of my Gucci shoe.
Hey divas, today I'm coming to y'all with a review for a portable speaker that I got from AccordWorks. When I tell y'all I love this little thing, it's a Bluetooth speaker, and how you turn it on is really cool, and you see it's really handy, portable. It's kind of heavy, which I love, because being that it's heavy, you can tell that there's a lot of technology in here. You know what I'm saying? A lot of electronics, all that good stuff that I don't know about. But it's heavy. That tells me something. But anyway, when you look at it from this side here has the power button, which you hold down, and it turns green. And you have to hold it down for a second.
Paired.
See, now it's connected and it's paired to my phone. So once you do that, then you're all set. Like, it is so easy. It comes straight out the box, already charged. The volume buttons are here. You go up, volume down. You can actually, I think that's a play button right there. I've never really used that button yet, but it's a play button. If you can see it, it's a play button. But when I tell y'all I love this little thing, I would play some music for y'all, but that would be against copyright laws, so I can't do that. But other than that, it's a great speaker. I'm in love with it. Thank you so much, Accord, for this speaker. The details for it is below in the description, so go ahead and check that out. Go ahead and click that link and get yourself one of these portable Bluetooth speakers from Accord. They have them on Amazon. Great prices, I'm trying to tell y'all. So divas, I know y'all like that music when y'all are beating that face and, you know, doing your makeup and all that stuff. So go ahead and get you a portable speaker. You can set it up on your makeup table, on your vanity, whatever you have in your beauty room, and it will just fill your room with beautiful music, whatever you want to hear. I'm a person, I really love music, and I have to have my music at all points in time. So this is perfect for me. Like I said, y'all, go get a Accord speaker. Go get y'all one. All right, y'all, check out the details. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a whole lot more reviews, y'all. I have an abundance of reviews coming to y'all, stuff that's here that I have to open, and I'm gonna video the reviews for. So y'all stay tuned. Hit the bell beside the subscribe, so that you will know exactly when I upload new videos, and y'all will know all the good products, all the good hair products, the new techniques, makeup tutorials, everything. So again, y'all have a great day, and this is Diamond. Peace.